Hi guys, welcome back. It's Tim from Create-A-Lase. Today what we're going to do is sublimate some t-shirts. There we go. Materials for this video is going to be a sublimation printer. Doesn't matter if you have a smaller one, you can still print in A4 if you've got a little A4 printer. Otherwise you can have a more wide format printer like our one, A3 printers, but either way it needs to be a sublimation printer. Our one's from Sawgrass. Sawgrass is a really good brand, that's the one that we use. Some sort of program for printing out the pictures, which we're using Corel, but you can actually even just get an image off of anything that you'd like, even if it's from Microsoft Paint or anything. It doesn't really matter. Just any sort of software this time, because you're just printing a normal image straight out of a normal printer, just with specialized inks. Yeah, so just need the sublimation printer, some sort of editing program just to make up the design that you need, and something to press it onto. And at the moment we're using polyester shirts. Let's get into it. Okay guys, to do this one here, what we've done is we were given these little t-shirts here. So these ones are just a polyester shirt, so that means that it's perfect for sublimation. Because they're already pink, some of the best colors to be able to put on top of it is just anything that's darker than the pink, and just be aware that when you do put something on darker than the color, it may actually change the color. So what we're using today is a black. We're just printing black straight onto it, and it's sublimating it into the fabric of the shirt because it's polyester. That's what we're doing. So if we head over here into this program, what we're using here is Corel. We've got a file that's been sent to us from a customer that's this is what they want printed on it. So we just laid it all out to the size of the printer and just laid out a bunch of shirts onto a section, and then that way we can just do one section at a time. So what we're going to do is we're going to print these off, and we select our printer, and we need to change the size, so then that way it will go to the right one. And because the size is 350, we should probably make one for that. So to be able to make a size, what we do is just do 610, because that's the width of it, by 3, we might go 355 mil, change that to centimeters. The width is going to be 61, 35.5, which makes it the size that we want. So there we go. Now we've got the right one. It won't be in there yet until we cancel that and we reopen it, and now that file size will be in there. We're all good to go, ready to print. That should print pretty good. We don't have any issues from the size. We're all good. So what we can do is just make sure that the Sawgrass is managing the colors, and we're in perceptual, so then that way it prints nice blacks, and that's all we need, because it's only going to be printing in black. So we press print. It's going to select up this print settings. We're doing on polyester fabric, which is good there. And when this loads up, there we go. So you just print that straight out. Hey guys, you better make sure you watch to the end. You want to see how this thing turns out? These shirts here, you want to see how they go? Come on, keep following us. Let's get back into it. Oh, that's right. Make sure you hit that bell icon. Subscribe if you haven't already. Right, let's get into it. Come on, let's go. Okay guys, so now we've got it printed off. What we're going to do now is cut it up. So we've just got a nice little sharp knife here, and we're just going to cut down the little pieces. So we just go in between each part. And just swerve your way down through, making sure you cut all the right spots. And cut between these two. It's easy as that. And we're done. Okay, so once we've got all the cut out, we'll be ready now to take over here to the heat press. Make sure we got the heat press heated up to 195 degrees Celsius, and then we'll be able to grab our shirts. We'll lay them on. Make sure they're nice and flat. A little bit of wrinkles in there. You can lay our design straight into the middle. A Teflon sheet on over the top, and we can press it. Just pressing it for 45 seconds. And the beeper's gone, so pull her out, lift off the Teflon sheet and take off the design, and there it is, the finished shirt. Look pretty amazing, don't they? So now we've just got a bunch more to go, and we'll just head through and do all those. There you go, guys. So that's how you make one of these sublimated shirts. This one's just with a black color on it, but it's sublimated right into the shirt, so they look really, really awesome, they do. So it's not actually vinyl or anything stuck onto it, it's the sublimation into the shirt, and they look amazing. If you like that video, make sure you do like it. Hit that bell icon down the bottom down there. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Watch out for the next videos. So any comments, anything that you missed on this sort of video, anything that you want us to spread apart and show step by step what we do and show our process in setting up the file in Corel or some other program that you'd like, yeah, so just drop us a little comment down below and we'll read it for you and we'll check it out and probably even make another video. So make sure you do hit that bell icon, because that way you get notified when these videos come out, because it could be the one that you asked for. Keep making. Catch you later.